wanted to be able to flip my hair, but don't get it twisted. I should have been came to you. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by RPGHair. They were kind enough to send me a unit to review for you guys. I'm also collabing with another one of my wig baes. I know her by NeNe, but you may know her as QueendomMindset. Y'all check out my girl giving looks. Please jump on the train now and get to know her, okay? You already know 2020 has been the year of the human hair or synthetic headband trend. And let me tell you right now, my girl took advantage. She has been laying and slaying these headband wigs for months. If you don't believe me, check her out on Instagram and TikTok. My girl's been slaying. So I will put her video down below, so make sure you go ahead and check her out after my video. Before we get into my looks though, if you are here from her channel, first of all, hey, how you doing? Glad you're here. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
My baby gave to me a candlelit dinner just for me and my honey. On the third day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a gift certificate to get my favorite CDs. On the second day of Christmas, my baby gave to me the keys to a CLK Mercedes. On the first day of Christmas, my baby gave to me Kevin D. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels lovely. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? Feels so lovely. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? Oh, yes, it feels like Christmas. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels lovely. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? Feels so lovely. It's really Christmas. Yes, it feels like Christmas. La, 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 la.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from RPGHair. It is their Yaki Bob. It comes in an ombre color, and the starting price for this unit is $179. Now, depending on the specs you get for this unit, the price can go up. So you can choose a length for your unit, so 10, 12, or 14 inches. I got the 12 inches, and my unit is $189. Now, my price does include the 2-inch slightly bleached knots. Now, if you want to get the improved, upgraded, bleached knots on your unit, that'll be about $10 extra. This unit does come with a 13 by 4.5 lace parting space, 2 combs on the front, 1 comb in the middle, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. It also comes with the adjustable elastic band that you can take out of your unit. I was going to use that in my unit. However, when I put it on, that joint snapped right off. And I was like, you know what? I don't got time. I think I put it in wrong. This unit I would definitely say is big head friendly based on how it's on my head right now. I did get the medium cap size, and it comes down ear to ear on me. I had a little excess on the sides that I cut off. So this unit is comfortably on my head with my adjustable straps in the back, as well as my wig grip and some got to be free spray across the front as you saw in the put down. I didn't even spray my sides down because you know what? I didn't feel like it, okay? I was lazy today with this application. I'm gonna keep it real simple and cute, okay? And I still laid it pretty dang good. That's all that matters to me. So this cap is fitting very comfortably, and I could rock this unit all day without my temples pulsating. We love that. The unit does come slightly pre-plucked. However, I did go in and pluck a little bit more out the hairline just to give me the look that I wanted. Initially, when I had the middle part, which is what it comes in, you could see it a lot more, but I decided to get a little extra and do a little flip over method. So, there's that. Like I said, this unit is a Yaki texture. You can definitely feel the yak in this unit. And this is one of the reasons why I prefer Kinky texture to Yaki texture. Yaki texture to me is a little bit thicker than Kinky texture, just based on the human hair wigs that I have tried on my channel. The Yaki textures also come with that crimp. You can definitely see the crimp in the unit. Can y'all see that? That crimp, I don't really like the crimp. The texture is also really thick, and it may not hold a curl the way that you want it to. You guys saw my put down that I used my flat iron first to flatten the hair out, and then I went in and used my big barrel curl iron to kind of put some curls in it. You wouldn't even think I curled this unit because they're gone. They're not sitting on my unit. I think my unit is not holding the curls as much as I would like because I did not go in and wash my unit. It doesn't come with no type of smell. Like, there's no smell in my unit. I just didn't feel like it today, y'all. I really didn't feel like it today. I will say, like, I feel like she looks really good. This bang is killing me, y'all. Let me see. My curling iron is too big. I need to get my 1 inch, but again, I don't. Oh, I know you lying. You better get Big Bertha. You better not. You better not. Ooh, about to say, as much as I paid for this daggone thing, you better get it together. Because the curling iron is so big, it's not really forming the curls the way I want. It's giving the unit a bump. If this was a kinky straight texture, it would curl just fine and the curl would stay there. It's not really holding it the way I want to because I didn't wash the unit. So I didn't give the unit any type of moisture. So it's going off of pretty much dry hair. So I would definitely say go in and, why am I holding like that? Go in and wash your unit, even though it will swell, okay? You will need to go in and straighten it after the fact, but I'm pretty sure it will hold the curl a lot better than mine is holding it right now. So I wouldn't really say that's a con for me because that's more like, you know, user error. However, I do have a small con, maybe this big, I don't know. The ombre color is really pretty. However, I feel like the ombre is a little, it doesn't flow the way that I want it to. Like I feel like some of them kind of flow really nicely. I don't want to say it's really harsh in here. Like it blends in right here, but I wish the ombre kind of started up a little bit higher or just blended a little bit more. You can see the gradual change in there, but it's just a little bit too blocky. I wish it was a little bit more, you know, spread out. So yeah, that may be because I parted the unit on the side, whereas in the middle it may have looked a little bit better. I should be able to part it and get the same color. That's what I'm saying. Over here though, it looks good. Y'all see that flip over? That flip over looks nice. But the unit as a whole, I feel like it's very simple. It's cute. It gives you some color if you want to spice it up for the holidays. This is how that 12 inches is sitting on me. She comes down just past my shoulders to the side, and then to the back, this is how she is sitting, okay? So she comes down just past my shoulders. I really wish my curls were staying. Dang it. They just didn't fall the way I wanted them to, okay? I wanted to be able to flip my hair, do all that, but look at the curls falling already. They're not having it. They're not having it. I feel like I'm giving like Weather Woman with the curls, with the little bump situation. I don't like that. I don't like that. I wanted sexy, voluminous hair. That's what I wanted, but I didn't get it, okay? It's okay. You know, I know the unit's potential, okay? But don't get it twisted. We still serving looks for the holidays, okay? Yeah. Let me see if I put the wand curls in, if that's gonna help. Let me see, because I'm interested. Why I didn't do this in the beginning, I don't know. The wand curler is better for a unit like this. Just give it a little more of like fun look. I like that. Okay. I should have been came to you. Put one over here. I am tearing my fingers up. Goodness gracious. See, and this is why doing it off your head, it'd be a lot easier. Give me a whole little messy look. I like that. Okay, this hair is screaming at me to leave it alone. I can't. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out to RPGHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put my specs and the direct link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. If I have a coupon code for them, it will also be linked down below, so make sure you use that joint to save some money on your order. Shout out to my girl NeNe for collabing with me. I really appreciate you as well. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.